Hello, Mr. Playfish. Hello, Mr. Zachary Warren.
Mr. Fish. Hello, Mr. Theo.
What's Play-O cooking today? Oh boy, is squished Play-O fish on a dish. Wowie! 1. Squish the Play-O fish. Squish the Play-O fish. Squish, squish, squish the Play-O fish. Squish the Play-O fish. Squish the Play-O fish. I think that's enough. We don't want the Play-O fish to get over squished, do we? Oh, no, we don't. We don't want the Play-O fish to get over squished. 2. Put the squished Play-O fish on a dish. Squish Play-O fish on the dish.
Squish fish on the dish.
Yeah. 3. Play-O cook the squished Play-O fish on the dish for 4 hours? 4 hours? Nah. Play-O fish so squish.